To get started, click the link you see on screen right here, or use the first link in the video description. That link will take you to the correct page for the setup and get you an extra 10% off your VPS plan. And once you go to that link, you'll be brought to this page right here. Go ahead and click on Claim Deal. And it's going to scroll you down to the plan options here. For Supabase, I'd recommend going with the KVM2 plan. It's going to give you 2 virtual CPU cores, 8 GB of RAM, 100 GB of NVMe disk space, and 8 TB of bandwidth. And if you need more or less resources later on, you can always downgrade or upgrade your plan if you need to. But for this video, I'll go with KVM2. So I'll click on Choose Plan. Start by choosing your billing period. By default, this is going to be set to 24 months. However, you can switch it to 12-month and 1-month plans as well. I wouldn't recommend going with the 1-month plan because it ends up being way more expensive later on. To still get plenty of savings and go right in the middle, I'm going to go with the 12-month plan. You can choose if you want to toggle on daily auto backups, and below this, you can choose your server location. Just select whatever is closest to you. Next, select your operating system. Click on OS with panel, then click on Coolify. Coolify is going to be the control panel that we use to deploy Supabase. And this is going to be built on top of Ubuntu, which is our operating system. I'm going to confirm that we want to use this template. Then I'm going to scroll back up to the top here. And as you can see, our coupon here is applied to give us an extra 10% off. Make sure you don't forget to use the first link in the video description to automatically apply this discount. From here, click on Continue. And then you'll have to go ahead and create a Hostinger account. Once you've gone ahead and created your Hostinger account and gone through the checkout process, I'll meet you at the next step. When you're here, go ahead and click on Get Started. From here, you have the option to add an SSH key or create a root password. For now, we're going to go with this option. Click on Generate, and then you want to copy this password here, and then save it somewhere safe. You'll use this password to log into your VPS, so make sure you keep it safe and don't share it with anybody else. From here, go down and click on Next. You can choose if you want to install a free malware scanner. Whenever I'm setting up my VPS for the first time, I do like to leave this turned off. So for now, I'm just going to click on Finish Setup. And now Hostinger is going to set up your VPS. This can take a few minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and fast forward to whenever it's complete. All right, now your VPS is ready to go. From here, click on Manage VPS. And this right here is going to be your VPS dashboard. If you want to adjust your settings, your operating system and control panel, set up backups and monitoring, adjust security settings, or configure a domain, you can do all of that here.